YouTube business success stories. Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity Mobile is a new type of wireless service plan that is owned and run by Comcast. Objective: the company needed to create product consideration and sales for its new offer. Strategy: the company created a YouTube video campaign where it showed viewers how much money they would save by using the service. Results: the campaign lifted brand consideration by 113% and generated thousands of customers. Hershey's. Hershey's is a famous chocolate brand owned by the Hershey's Company, one of the largest chocolate manufacturers in the world. Objective: the company wanted to create interest for a new line of chocolate that it was about to launch. Strategy: the company partnered with top creators in the company's niche, which included bakers and food artists, in order to align its message with YouTubers that had an established influence. Results: this strategy helped the company generate a 22% lift in purchase intent and drove more than $9 million in retail sales. Abreva. Abreva is a brand of cold medications that sells cold sore treatments, and it is produced by GSK. Objective: the brand wanted to connect with a younger audience so they could be more aware about its products and their benefits. Strategy: the company created and ran 119 different pre-roll ads that lasted 6 seconds each, targeted at different teenager segments. Results: personalizing their YouTube ads helped the brand lift search interest by a whopping 342%. Ukes. Ukes is one of the largest online fashion and luxury retailers. Objective: the retailer's objective was very clear: to drive conversions straight from a video. Strategy: the retailer created a series of interactive video ads featuring different products, and each was targeted at a different segment. Results: the retailer was able to generate a 37% view-through rate, thousands of conversions, and six-figure sales from this campaign. United Airlines. United Airlines is a major American airline and the third largest in the world. Objective: the airline's objective was to convert website visitors that left the site without making a purchase decision. Strategy: the airline created a 15-second YouTube video that showed people on vacation after booking a flight through the airline's website. Results: in just 1 month, the airline generated 52% of their website conversions straight from click-throughs coming from the video. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is an American company that develops and sells pharmaceutical products and consumer goods. Objective: the company wanted to reach more customers for its makeup remover and cleansing brand. Strategy: the company created a series of video ads where they showed the makeup remover, and they swapped elements in the video according to the segment they were targeting. Results: the company saw sales lift by 14% in households that were exposed to the ad. Frito-Lay. Frito-Lay is an American food company that manufactures, markets, and sells snack foods. Objective: the company wanted to promote a new line of Doritos with an innovative campaign model. Strategy: the company created a video sequence campaign where the viewer interacted with a video ad and selected which video ad to watch next. Results: the campaign generated a 19% lift in product favorability and helped the new Doritos line to become a top-selling product for 5 years. Backlinko. Backlinko is an online marketing and SEO business run by Brian Dean. Objective: Brian wanted to increase the number of views that he was getting on his channel so he could send more traffic to his business website. Strategy: Brian did deep keyword research to find high traffic and low competition search terms used by his potential audience. Results: Brian was able to generate more than 295,000 views that led to a lot of click-throughs and sales of his marketing kits. Buffer. Buffer is a popular social media marketing company that sells tools and solutions for online businesses. Objective: the company needed to get their channel off the ground, build their audience, and become successful. Strategy: the company started optimizing their videos and targeted search terms and keywords used by small businesses. Results: Buffer was able to increase watch time by 61%, which meant increased brand consideration and sales. Jeff Bullis. Jeff Bullis is an entrepreneur, business owner, and top online marketing influencer. Objective. Jeff's objective was to create awareness and consideration for a drumming education company that he was starting with a business partner. Strategy. Jeff studied and reverse-engineered content strategies by his top competitors and stuck to a content schedule. Results? Jeff was able to capture 500,000 YouTube views and generated a lot of business.